Did you know that chocolate has a fascinating history that dates back to ancient times? People have been indulging in this delicious treat for thousands of years, and it has played a significant role in various cultures and traditions. Hello, and welcome to INFIO, where today we are on a ride into the chocolate factory. The chocolate that we all eat undergoes various processes before turning into such a heavenly delight. But have you ever wondered how this heavenly delight is made? Let me take you on a journey to the heart of Africa, where the cacao trees grow. These trees are quite finicky and require specific conditions, such as warm temperatures and high humidity, to thrive. That's why regions located near the equator, such as the areas where the Mayans resided, are ideal for cultivating cacao. So, let's explore the process of chocolate making and discover how this delectable treat goes from cacao beans to the scrumptious chocolate we all know and love. During harvest, skilled workers carefully pluck each cacao pod by hand, being extra cautious not to damage the precious beans inside. It's a labor-intensive task that demands great care, but it's all worth it when you taste the delicious chocolate that follows. Once the pods are collected, the beans are extracted and the sticky pulp is removed, setting the foundation for the chocolate's flavor and texture. Similarly, coffee cherries undergo a process of removing the outer layers of the fruit, revealing the coffee beans inside. But the magic doesn't stop there. The beans are left to ferment for a few days, usually covered in banana leaves to regulate temperature and humidity. This process plays a crucial role in developing the desired flavor profile of the coffee. With the right amount of care and attention, these beans will end up in your cup, making for a perfect start to your day. Have you ever wondered how coffee beans develop their unique brown color and delicious flavor? It's all thanks to the fermentation process. As the beans ferment, the sugars and acids present in them break down, resulting in a mellow, smooth flavor that's highly sought after by coffee lovers. But that's not all. The beans are then spread out to dry in the sun, typically for several days, intensifying their flavors and aromas even further. Once the beans are dry, they're inspected for quality to ensure they meet the coffee industry's high standards. If they pass inspection, they're packaged and sent off to factories where they're roasted, ground, and packaged for you to enjoy. Isn't it fascinating how each step in the coffee-making process contributes to your perfect cup of joe? At the factory, the beans are roasted, which brings out even more flavor and turns them into a dark brown paste. This paste is then ground into a thick syrupy liquid called chocolate liquor. Making chocolate is a complex process that involves several steps. Initially, cocoa beans are harvested and fermented to develop their flavor. Then they're roasted and ground to produce chocolate liquor, a thick paste containing cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Depending on the type of chocolate, the chocolate liquor may require further processing, such as treatment with an alkaline solution to produce Dutch cocoa or removing some of the fat to make cocoa powder. The chocolate liquor is then mixed with other ingredients such as milk, sugar, or vanilla in a process known as conching. This involves grinding and kneading the mixture to form a smooth and consistent texture. The conching process was invented by Daniel Peter, a Swiss chocolatier, in 1875, when he created milk chocolate for the first time. Did you know that tempering is a crucial step in the chocolate-making process? It's what gives chocolate its perfect texture and snap. Tempering involves heating and cooling the chocolate mixture in a specific way to stabilize the cocoa butter, making the chocolate more durable and able to withstand different conditions. The process of tempering starts with melting the chocolate at a high temperature, followed by cooling it to a lower temperature, and repeating this a few times until the chocolate reaches the desired consistency. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds, where it hardens and takes on the intended shape. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the INFIO channel if you enjoyed this journey through the chocolate factory. Do tell us in the comments below about the next journey you would like to take with us.